All right, let's say you've got a video file that you want to translate. Here's a quick guide on how to do it. First, you just need to upload your video from your local device or paste the YouTube video link right here. This time, I will just upload one file from my library. Once it's successfully uploaded, select the original language. If you're not sure what language your video is in, you can choose Auto Detect. But if you do know the language, I recommend selecting it manually. That helps get more accurate voice recognition. And if your video has more than one language, make sure to check multi-language here. I'll just select Spanish by this video. Next, under Target Language, pick one or more languages you want to translate into. I will translate Spanish to American English only under this task. Then we've got number of speakers. This part's important. Make sure to select the correct number of speakers. For example, if there are 3 people talking in your original video, but you only select one speaker here, the final video will only use one voice for everyone. To avoid that, you can just go with Auto Detect. That's usually the safest option. Now, choose your voice style. You can go with voice cloning, with or without accent, or pick from our stock voices. We'll show the voice styles in more detail in our next video. There's also an option called Allow Adjustments to Video Speed. Turn it on if you want the dubbed video to play at a comfortable speed, not exactly the same length as the original. If you'd like to organize your projects better, you can also create or select a folder for this task. And that's it. Just hit Submit Task, confirm the credit usage, and you're done. Super easy and straightforward.